Hi guys! So, remember last time nagawa ko ng pig jam? Eto, yan. Yung first batch ko, yan na lang natitira ko. So ngayon, this is my second batch. I'm gonna do it again because it's a big hit. Even dad, ano lang siya, bihira yan kumain ng jam kapag hindi niya gusto. So ngayon, ito, mga hirap na hirap na talaga siya. So I'll just cut them in half in quarters like that. And then put them in here. Put them in my pot. And just cut them. Yan, putulong. Hiwain lang natin ulit. I don't wanna cut it in small pieces. Gusto ko yung meron siyang medyo may chunk na konti. Para yung you can bite some, you can have something to bite. Yan. Hiwain lang natin siya. Ngayon naman, ito yung kalamansi na nakuha ko sa labas ng bahay. Naaagad yung aking kalamansi. Wala na natira. Ito na lang talaga natira niya. So ngayon, I'm gonna cut them. Take the pips out. Take the pips out. Some of them has got pips, but some of them hasn't got yet. So like this one. Siguro yung mga ano niya, yung buto niya, mga isa o dalawang piraso lang. Yan. Take two. Take them out. Oh, it's so nice with calamansi. See there. So take it out. Take the pips out. We will squeeze. Oh, meron pa natira. We will squeeze the calamansi there. See mo. Then I'm keeping doesn't matter kung may napasama, may isa o dalawang buto, okay lang yan. And then after that, we just mix it up. We just mix it up. Mix it up like that. Oh my God, nakaamoy ko yung kalamansi, ang bango. Tapos yan, hihiwa-hiwain ko naman to. Hihiwain ko ng maliliit itong pulp. Kasi isasama natin siya. Ganito rin yung ginawa ko. This is what I did on my first batch. I did exactly the same. And you know, the result is so nice. So nice. If you use lemon, some people use lemon grind, but me, I want to use this one. Like I said, I did it on the first one, and it works really well with the. It works really well with the feed jar. the acid and the smell and the texture as well. It's like you're making a marmalade in a jar at the same time. So that's all been cut in small pieces. So I'm gonna add this up now here. Okay. And then I will add 2 cups of brown sugar. Pinamay ko na ito. So that's it. And now, just have to mix again. Mix. That's it. And now it's ready to go in the... Ready na siyang ilagay sa kalan. So, ayan. Naisala ko na nga. Halu-haluin lang natin siya ulit. Ganyan lang. Nasa umulo-ulo. Halu-haluin lang natin siya. Okay. Ayan guys, kumukulo-kulo na nga. So, haluin lang natin siya. Haluin. Kailangan ng apoy. Tapos halo-halo lang tayo. Hanggang halo-halo lang tayo hanggang sa makuha natin yung consistency na gusto natin. Ayan na nga guys. Ano na siya? Ready na siya. Yan, nakukuha na yung consistency na gusto ko. Malapot siya. Di ba meron chunky? Yan yung masarap niya pag pinalaman mo sa tinapay. Sa toast and butter, very nice. Yan, it's almost ready. See how it became dark? Probably 5 more minutes, 5 or 10 more minutes boil, and I will switch off the kalan, and that's my jam. Okay guys, ayan na nga, luto na siya. O, tapos isasanin ko na siya rin sa jar. Diba? Looks yummy. Salin natin. Itong jam na to, makakarating to ng Pilipinas. Nakakarating ito ng Pilipinas. Papadala ko sa ate ko. Ayan, ito na ko yung finished product. Siguro 2 bote din to. Isang bote, padala ko sa kanya. Yan. That's the first bottle. Oh, baka mga 2 bottles and a half pa nga. Sarap yan. Bango. Amoy yung tamis niya tsaka yung asim nag-ano o yan o dalawa yung nagawa ko, tapos may natira pa ako dito ko isasalin sa ano pangatlong jar. Ito natin sa bali 2 jar. Yan ang nagawa ko. Diba? Ang galing. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy my video.